Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss physical concept of uncertainty principle. So basically we are going to discuss that why it is not possible to observe position and velocity of a microscopic particle simultaneously and accurately. Okay. So suppose we are doing an experiment with any type of object. Any type of object means it can be macroscopic or microscopic. Okay, so if you want to observe any object, first of all you must be able to see that object, and in that case you have to use light of a suitable wavelength. So suppose we are observing macroscopic particle, a large particle. Okay, so what happens when light falls on the surface of macroscopic object? So when light falls on the surface of macroscopic object, the photon of light will not be able to change the position and velocity of that particle, because we are using large particle, we are using large object. So in the case of macroscopic particle, it is possible to observe their position and velocity simultaneously and accurately. Okay, but if we talk about the microscopic particle like electron, so in the case of electron, the photon of light can cause the displacement, and because of this reason it is not possible to observe the position and velocity simultaneously and accurately. As I have shown electron here as a microscopic particle, and here incident light. So the photon of this incident light, even when we use a single photon, it will cause the displacement in the position of this electron, and then its position will change obviously, and it will follow the new path instead of its original path. So this is why it is not possible to observe position and velocity simultaneously and accurately. Now, we'll talk about the significance in our daily life of uncertainty principle. Okay, so like a de Broglie equation, it has no significance in our daily life, because uncertainty principle is applicable only on the microscopic particle, as already we have seen here. Okay, so because of the applicability on microscopic particle, it has no significance in our daily life, because in our daily life we deals with macroscopic bodies or macroscopic objects like large object. Okay, so it has no significance. Now we will do some numerical. First numerical is calculate the uncertainty in the position of an electron if the uncertainty in its velocity is 5.7 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second, and h is given here and mass is also given here. Okay, so for this question, delta v is uncertainty in velocity is given, which is 5.7 into 10 to the power 5, and in this question we have to calculate delta x, means uncertainty in position. H and m are given, and we know the formula of Heisenberg uncertainty principle, that delta x into delta p equal to or greater than h over 4 pi. As we know that p momentum is equals to mv, so we can put m delta v here. So delta x into m delta v greater than or equal to h over 4 pi. Okay, now we will put the values, and after putting the values we will have delta x 1.012 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So this is our answer. This is the uncertainty in position. Next numerical is, on the basis of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, show that electron cannot exist within the atomic nucleus of radius 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, so in this case nucleus radius of nucleus is given, that is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. Okay, so if I have shown an atom here and this is the nucleus, since the radius of this nucleus is 10 to the power minus 15, And in this question we are assuming that electron is present in this nucleus only. So if electron exists in this nucleus, so obviously the uncertainty of position of electron in the nucleus will be equal to the this order, will be equal to this order, 10 to the power minus 15, since the radius of the nucleus is given 10 to the power minus 15. So that's why I have taken delta x equals to 10 to the power minus 15. Now again we know the formula, delta x into delta v greater than or equal to h over 4 pi m. After putting the value, we will have delta V greater than or equal to 5.77 into 10 to the power 10 meter per second. As we know that the velocity of electron is equals to the velocity of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So if the velocity of electron is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, so obviously the uncertainty in velocity it should be equal to should be equal to this order, 10 to the power 8 order. Okay, but in this question we are getting 5.77 into 10 to the power 10 meter per second, so this value is much more than the actual value. Okay, so that's why electron, we can say that electron cannot exist within the nucleus. I hope Heisenberg uncertainty principle is clear for you, and if you have any query, please let me know.